Book me now. Book me now.
I got married in Italy. Am I saying you copied me by getting married in Italy? Who performed at my wedding? Andrea Bocelli. Who performed at Courtney's wedding? Andrea Bocelli. You stole my wedding country and my wedding performer. Andrea Bocelli is my favorite male singer of all time, but I'm copying her Dolce Vita lifestyle.
Hi, my name is Clara, the capybara, and I will be singing my favorite song. Aww.
At this point, the references I make every day aren't even words, they're just sounds. Like, I like doing the SpongeBob stinky sound, you know? The one that, you know? Oh, there's something I don't like. It's funny every time. NANI?!
I am a lost bitch from England, usually hanging out with Pussy Pan. And when we're pretty, we play in my ass, always on the run from Captain Come, lost bitch.
I'm tryna three-way with her roomie. Hey room, I bet you wish that I was still right there. Used to live right there.
Roses are red, April is gray, but when you wake up tomorrow,
It's gonna be May.